Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get blue light filter without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just select this system option. On the right side you will see here one option, display. Just click on it. And now you will see here one option written night light. So you can see below, use warm-up colors to help block blue light. So this option will help you to block the blue light that's coming out from your respective Windows computer display screens. So just click on it. Now inside it you will see the first option is to turn on, and the second option is the strength, to increase or decrease the strength, and even you can schedule the night light by turning it on. So now let us turn it on. So now you can see here the brightness of the screen has been turned into warmer colors, as you can see right now. So if I turn it up again, so you can see it's restored back. So let me turn it on again. So you can see now you can increase or decrease the intensity of the warmer color. As you can see, the more you increase, the more warmer color it will produce. So you can see here, so you can adjust it depending upon your need, how much strength you want to use here. And if you don't feel like using it, then just turn it off again by clicking on turn off now. It will restore back. So by using this inbuilt option, you can easily get blue light filter without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.